Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Framework Laptop 13. So friends, the Framework has upgrades in introducing spanning two new laptops, the Framework Laptop 13, 13th generation Intel Core and Framework Laptop 13 AMD Ryzen 7040 series. And friend, the Framework Laptop 13, 13th generation Intel Core and Framework Laptop 13 AMD Ryzen 7040 series are now available for pre-order. And friend, 13th generation Intel Core processor have incredible performance with both 4 or 6 performance cores with hyper-threading and 8 efficiency cores, and this means that the top version we offer, the i7 1370p, has an incredible 14 CPU cores and 20 threads, and the total solution offers both performance and efficiency improvements over the last generation. Between the new processor, higher capacity battery and firmware optimization, we have made you can expect to see 20 to 30% battery life improvement. And friend, for the AMD Ryzen 7040 series processor, they will share more detailed specification as we closer get to shipment. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.